Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CFRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure with what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very nice movement today. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from, and that's going to be pretty much the kind of the backbone of a lot of these updates. First thing I'm going to do, though, is some house cleaning, get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now and from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's annotations all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first big update that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, $1.15 was that level of resistance, but with the price breaking above it, again, that's where you would want to see it act as support. And absolutely beautiful right there on the pullback. Price did a great job of holding up above it, so good to see that. Now, from the bigger picture point of view, it's not like if the price falls below $1.15, that implies everything is epically destroyed or anything like that. Preferably speaking, yes, staying above it would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes on, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. So as far as judging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the overall movement, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in the full control, the bulls are in full health. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.15 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance moving forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here. The party essentially stopped today right up there at $1.30. So $1.30 will be public enemy number one moving into Tuesday. All in all, though, fantastic way to start the week. Great volume, great price movement. The week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.